Hello guys, good morning. Uh, Welcome to our channel. This would be the final round of our Forge in Fire Philippines, hosted by B-Boy Sharp Edges. So, in this final round, our participants are tasked to recreate their own version of the traditional bolo of the Atayaos, which is called the Aliwa. Pero yung nakakatuwa is while conversing with one of the blade promoters of Apayao, sabi niya, Aliwa is a general term, is a generic term used in their place for a bolo. So it's not actually a particular type of blade, but it is a local term of a bolo. Yun pala yun. Pero dahil sa influensya ng media, Aliwa is generally the term used to call the sinawit or yung may yung known as the Aliwa axe, yung may sawit na blade. So some would call it as the sinawit blade. Anyway, this is the Aliwa. It has a particular features that only few has already know. Only few in the blade industry. And some of it we will show it. Pero bago yan, i-present natin, here are the 3 entries for the final round. So first entry, this is the Aliwa blade, entry number 1. Ito po yung handle niya. Tagos yung tang. It's not actually a full tang, pero tagos yung tang. So may bronze ferrule tayo dito. Yan. Okay. So specification natin is 15 to 17 inches blade. Pasok ito. Tapos 12 to 15 inches handle. This is entry number 1. And then this is entry number 2. Entry number 2. Yan. Makikita natin, inipit siya, full tang. Okay. So may wibratan siya dito. Okay. And yung entry number 3 natin. Entry number 3. Okay, so may ferrule din siya dito. Pinned. Nakapin yung tang niya. Meron siyang wibratan pa rin. Wooden handle. Okay. Stick tang siya. Entry number 3. So, what we have presented to us is the 3 entries. Cast your votes in the comment section of this video below. Comment nyo kung ano yung nagustuhan nyo. Is it entry number 1, number 2, or number 3? 1 vote per account. Yan, so let's go. Support natin yung mga entries na natitipuhan natin. Okay, so itutuloy natin yung pagpapakilala sa Aliwa. Aliwa or a sinawit blade is actually not a full tang, not a rat tail tang, but it is a stick tang, pero wala siyang pin. Yun yung isang distinct feature niya. Makikita natin yan sa mga promoter. May dalawa tayong marketplace, yung Master Dafon project Sa kanya naman, mga modernized, pero meron pa rin silang traditional aliwa. Tapos meron yung isang marketplace sa Facebook. Isagadan yan yata. Not really sure. Let's try to find that out. And yung isang distinct feature ng aliwa is medyo naka-curve siya. Pero ito hindi pa eh. Medyo naka-curve siya na parang bumirang. Yung blade niya at yung attachment ng blade niya sa handle. Tapos yung isang feature niya is dito sa tip ng handle, ay sa tip ng blade, makikita natin may sawit din siya dito, pababayan ng konti. Yan. Ito medyo nakuha niya. Medyo nakuha niya. Yan. Tapos dito sa part na to, it should at least fit yung sa may thumb mo. Ganun yan. Yan daw yung measurement niya nung sawit niya. Not really sure. Pero yun yung pagkakasabi. Halos ganyan daw. Ganyan. Ito masyado siyang. Tapos hindi ito pointed dapat sa traditional. Yun. Yun yung ilan sa features ng ating aliwa that we can consider. Yung angle ng insertion ng blade sa handle. Tapos yung sinawit sa tip at saka sa likod ng dulo ng blade natin. So there you are guys. Promoting to us once again and resurfacing. Pagpapalitaw muli ng nakakalimutan ng profile ng traditional blade ng ating mga kababayan sa Apayao. Aliwa profile. So that is a traditional blade from the province of Apayao. Let's reinvent it. Let's create blades inspired by it to keep the traditional remembrance of the Aliwa profile. So thank you. Cast your votes below in support to our 3 entries who will emerge the season 2 of the Forge in Fire Philippines champion. It's in your health. God bless us all.